Tasty ordine sana tarakan diye dance edeceğim. Dance. Full dance. Important. This is a Takili not a music. Name Takili. See heart. See this nice and my name. Elon. And see this guys. You have to open it like this. And you see this target? You see this target? You have to take a ball. You have to take this ball and hold it moves. This moves the target with the ball wins. And I have another product, a frisbee. Square frisbee. And you have to throw like this. That's all. Get my project. This is my name and by Adam. My school's name is CS Academy. Let's start to open. Look, there is a drawing picture with names of the school channel Takili. Then let's open. Look, there is SpongeBob. Dude, that's great. And car and Spider-Man there is. Now you're going to see one. Then there is a token. 10 rupees. Now I'm going to show my brand new table. Okay? Let's just play with the laptop. Because if we are tired, we can just this near the laptop. The laptop here. We can put some juice and drink. Okay. Nice to meet you. Look at that. You guys don't exit the video. Here is the umbrella with rainbow colors. This is rainbow colors. And there is the bridge. There is a handle colored silver and orange. That is colorful and that is helpful. Thank you. And I'm going to show you my brand new drawing book. See? A drawing book, a heart, Takila's logo, and we can draw whatever you want. You can draw whatever you want here. And here we can also whatever you want here. And here too. Thanks. That's a lot of toys. Here is the volleyball. Rugby. Here is a rugby with white stripes and red color, black color, and ESP. That's brown color. And it has red color lines. It is small and it can cut like this. Thanks. This is a Takili tennis ball. So this is used to play cricket or basketball. See? Catch. See? No, that hurt. But great. Then we have a business game with many dice and many tickets. Look, there is a board with Ludo, holiday game, and snake and ladder, new edition, We can play 10 hours. Thanks. Make sure you like and subscribe and buy these products. These products will launch soon.